Oh, let's go. This is where they died last time.
Uh-oh.
Where's your gun?
You have my gun.
What? Oh, what? I swear I did not. I'm guessing you like spawned right in front of me or something, and I must have just accidentally grabbed it. Player running to docks. At the dock spawn. He just ran into a tree. I think. Oh, he's running to docks. Ain't no way I didn't kill him. That's crazy. Let's scav. Goodness gracious, he almost killed me. Oh my. Is that you?
Killed one in Little Forest. Yep.
Nice.
We got a guy on church.
Oh, yep. I'm so glad you said that. He would have had me dead to rights.
Did you kill him?
No.
Okay.
You just saved my life there.
What were you just sticking there with your fucking head out?
Oh, I hit him. Ouch! That's the guy who started shooting at me.
There's a guy on fucking church or
Radio?
radio. Watch out. Yeah.
Dude! That dude was
He's
clueless. What was he doing? Anywho. I'm dead.
Oh my god.
Holy crap. I got tapped in the head with an SKS. Nice. There's still another. Yep.
God damn it. He's kind of good with that fucking thing though. Damn. I feel like he sees me. I'm so scared. I'm so scared of this guy.
He is all seeing. Well, you killed the guy that killed me, I'm pretty sure.
There's no way he can see me without a fucking scope, right?
You just used it in SKS.
Brother! No fucking shot.
It might not be rendered in for him. What? He's definitely on PC.
Fuck that guy, dude. I'm gonna go rotate and fucking piss on him. Fuck.
You went a little too far.
What?
Grenade. Go, go, go. He's gonna push roof. I would...
Is that the guy? Because if so, this dude's got some fucking nuts on him. I know what we do. We're just gonna get completely off the roof. Fuck. Oh, he's coming. Now I feel much safer.
Yep.
Unless he starts launching them hoes off that fucking roof.
Honestly, I wouldn't put it past him. Oh, there he is! Dude! Let's go!
Look at his little arm dangling up the
Yep,
side.
I see it.
Dude, you got fucking dicked on.
That was beautifully done.
Fucking crack shot, brother. Didn't have fucking nothing.
Honestly, I gotta respect it.
Another successful raid. Motherfuckers are scared of me. Mochi, Ab Hero, and the Clout.
I try.
Need headshots. Oh, players! Right,
Where?
right.
Jeez. How many?
2.
Knock. Dropped one. One's dead. One's still behind the red container.
Okay.
Oh, they're suppressed, aren't they? Oh, he's still back there. He's tossing his buddy's gear in the water so we can't get it.
Really?
I'm not even joking. I just watched him throw
All right, I'm going through tunnel.
a thick armor in the water. Yeah. He's throwing everything in the water,
He
dude.
just threw an AWM. Yeah.
What a loser. He probably thinks he's doing something.
I got him.
I'm guessing there's no loot there.
Got his bag and his armor. He didn't throw it far enough, but everything else is gone.
All right.
You walking up on me?
Yeah, that's me. It's loser behavior.
All right, let's get to roof.
Yep. Oh, that was all on
Check out
Radio Hill,
scout.
right? Those shots?
Yep.
Oh, yep. There's a guy top left to Radio Hill. He's getting his squats in, that's for sure. He's crouching up and down and up and down. There's 2.
Oh, yep. Heading down to the right.
We gonna do it? His buddy
Well,
is
this one's
all the way
coming
down. Yeah. His buddy is already all the way down at the bottom.
Yeah, I was just trying to get lined up on him and I couldn't.
I might take out his buddy here. Should we?
Let me know. I'll bounce
do
around
it.
this corner.
I'm gonna do it. He's bandaging. I heard him.
Where's he at? Behind the rock?
No, he's behind the
Oh,
pillar.
I see him.
Just careful of his buddy coming up stairs. He's shooting the wrong place.
He just moved
Where to?
to the right more. I think he's trying to possibly wrap.
Up now. You
I'm
good?
taking shots somewhere. I think maybe Death Valley, given on where the gunshots are hitting.
Okay. That's a little forest.
Yep, I see him. He rolled off the backside.
Oh yep, he's running to docks. Running to docks on the beach, right to left. I think we broke his legs. He's
hurt.
slow. Yeah.
Yep. He's moving again.
Okay. Took out that scab. He was annoying.
I got one shake on my last mag. And I'm out of ammo.
He's moving again. He moved behind the rock.
Okay.
To the left of the. Where was that? It was back.
Back. Just stay there. I'll
Yeah,
head
yeah.
back here. Hopefully not run out of ammo.
Ouch! He sees me somehow.
I think we got one coming upstairs. And I'm low as fuck on ammo.
Okay. I'm gonna pivot to this then. If this guy wants to leave, he can.
I just...
You're
if
not
he's
mov-
thick.
Are you moving around
No,
a
no.
lot?
No. The fuck?
I think he's trying to bait us to look over there while his teammate comes up. Oh, it's
good
you!
idea. Did you almost shoot?
Dude, I almost shot you in the head.
Yeah, I probably should have said something. See, what sucks is I can't even flank because I don't have enough fucking ammo. We really need to kill that guy so I can have his gun.
Yeah.
It really irritates me that I don't have enough ammo to push this dude straight up.
I'm not sure what to do here.
Oh, we got a guy on fucking church too. Sweet. There may not be a guy coming up, honestly. It could just be this one on church and one on radio.
Oh, yep. Player.
At that
Same,
left spawn.
same spawn. Yeah. There's one. I don't know what he shot at me with. He's moving towards docks. Oh, dude, my grip stopped working. Dang it. Got him. He's dead. What did this man have for me? Oh my goodness. This was not worth it. Oh, it was worth it. He got an OKP. Oh, there's somebody in Little Forest.
I'm almost there.
Don't matter ammo.
Got him.
Nice.
A scav just killed me, dude. What?
No way. Roof scav?
Yes.
He hit you in the head.
Torso. M16 scav. It was that one right there by the bathroom. I jumped up there to get his headshot, and he fucked me up.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Wait, where's your body then?
On the little drop down, right there, I jumped up on the side.
Up on the side. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, shoot. I will grab your stuff in a second. Oh. It's a man. Can't believe you died to a scav.
Yeah, no, dude.
Come on, buddy, you can do it. Just come down. Just come on down. Yes. I'm just gonna try and grab your stuff and move. Dude, he is totally... You died in such a bad spot. Oh, he's still up
You
there?
are welcome.
He's still just up there, just chilling. That's crazy. This guy thinks he's sneaky. This guy thinks he's being sneaky. Come on up. No way. Ain't no way he didn't die. Not a fan of that move he did. Mm-mm.
That corner over there on the right might be safe.
Yeah. This area over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. I did get him. I don't think so, though. Of course the scavs respawned down there right when I was about to make a move. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I don't know how he saw me. I might just make a move. It sounded like it might have been up on the roof with me. Shoot. Player steps, right? Shoot, no, he's still alive. What happened to my arm? Dude, my arm is so messed up right now.
Fall back and heal. He's healing. You got 7% chest.
Thank you. No way. Got him! Let's go, baby! Bro, what just happened? Whew, I'm shaking. Dude, my hands being off is so...
I'm surprised you killed that dude. That's crazy.
Get wrecked. I'm not even gonna loot your stuff. What's the timer? Oh, 6 minutes. I'm good. Oh my goodness. Killed Ghost, Marat, Shadow, Special Forces, Merlin, and 6 kills.